Hi everyone and welcome to GoDigiPrime. In this video we are going to demonstrate the usage of Thrive Leads. We'll cover with the help of Thrive Leads and a few other tools how you are going to convert your normal website into a high converting one. Here's a glimpse of what we are going to cover today. We'll install Thrive Leads on our WordPress. Then we'll create a free account on an email service provider and integrate it with Thrive Leads. Then create a Thrive form and connect it to your email service provider. We'll also showcase the different kind of forms which you can use, which will allow you to capture leads from your visitors. We'll also cover what are lead magnets and where to get these lead magnets at a very nominal price. With this, you may have understood that for an effective high converting website with lots of subscriptions, you need 4 things. 1. An installation of WordPress. 2. Thrive Leads. 3rd, an email marketing service, and lead magnets. So let's start with installing Thrive Leads. So you can see we are in our Thrive Themes dashboard right now. So click on this Thrive Product Manager plugin. This will download this plugin onto your system. This has been downloaded, so let's go to our WordPress now. Click on Plugins, click on Add New, click on Upload Plugin. Choose File and select the zip file that we have just downloaded. Click on Open and Install now. So I have previously installed this plugin and for demo purpose only I am installing it again. So it is saying they found one version already installed. So let's replace the current with the uploaded. In your case, it will just say to activate the plugin like this. Now we click on this Activate plugin and we can see that Thrive Product Manager has been activated. You'll also be able to see this Thrive Product Manager and Thrive Dashboard on the left hand side of your WordPress dashboard. So click on this Product Manager. So these are all the plugins that comes along with Thrive Themes membership. So at present we are just focused on Thrive Leads. So click here and say Active Selected Products. So now Thrive Leads is ready to be used on this installation of WordPress. To create a free account on GetResponse, open GetResponse. Enter your email address here. And sign up free. Enter your name. Enter some password. And create account. So it is saying that we have to go to our inbox and confirm that this is our official email address. So let's go to our email account. Here we can see an email from GetResponse. Click on this. Because I'm using different browsers, so I'll just copy the link, go back to the same browser and paste it here. So this has created our free account on GetResponse. Now fill in some basic details. So now our free account on GetResponse has been created. So you can choose a plan here which will ask you to pay the money and of course become their paid member, or you can just click on this maybe later and take me to my dashboard. So you have access to this GetResponse account for 1 month completely free of cost. You can use this to see whether this thing works for you or not. So once your free account is created on GetResponse, the next thing is to connect GetResponse to our WordPress, or to be very precise, to Thrive Leads. For that, let's go to Menu. Let's go to Integrations and API. Let's click on this API. Let's say generate an API key. Name it, say Thrive Leads API, and generate. So now this API key has been generated. The next thing is to copy this and go back to our WordPress dashboard. So here now, let's go to this Thrive dashboard. Click on this Thrive dashboard. Just scroll down. Click on this API connections. Click on this Add New Connection. Select an app, which in our case is GetResponse. Let's paste the API key from GetResponse here and click on Connect. So now the integration of Thrive Leads is done with GetResponse. So just to make sure it is working, let's go back to our GetResponse. Click on Lists. Create a list here. Let's create a list with the name Test Demo purpose and click on create. So this has created a list for us in GetResponse. What we are going to do with this list, I'll come back to that in this video only. For now, let's go back to our Thrive dashboard. So here, click on this Thrive Leads dashboard. In this lead group section, click on add new. It will ask for a lead group name. So let's enter test here. Click on add lead group. Now a lead group with the name of test has been created, but it shows that we have not created any opt-in forms as of now. So click on this add new type of opt-in form. It will show different kind of forms here. The first one is in content. We can display this wherever we want to display within the content of our article. The second one is lightbox. That will appear after a certain duration or on exit intent at the center of the page. The third is post footer. This form will be displayed at the footer of your article. The fourth one is ribbon. This form stays on the top of the page even when the visitor scrolls down. This form is always prominently visible on the top of the page. The fifth one is screen filler. This fills the screen with your form and prompts the user to fill in his information. The sixth one is a scroll mat. You can use this form once the visitor starts scrolling. You can even lock the content so that in case he is interested in the content, he will be giving his information. The seventh one is slide in. In this, your form just slides in at the bottom right corner. The eighth standard form is widget, which is mostly used in blogging websites. Then they have given an option to upload your own PHP based form as well. So for now, just for the sake of understanding, let's click this widget form. So this widget form is created now. We can see it here. So click on this plus icon to add elements to your form. Click on create form. Give this form a name. Let's say test form, and click on create form. Now this test form is created. Here, if you see closely, it also gives you analytics like how many form impressions are there, how many conversions have happened, and what is the conversion rate. Here conversion is basically when the visitor fills this form and submit. Next is when this form needs to be triggered. So currently it is showing displays immediately on page load. You can click on this and it will show all the options which are available, like currently it is on page load. The other option which we have here is show when the user reaches the bottom of the page. So at present, let's keep it at page load only and click on save. Now click on this edit design button here. This will show you multiple designs here. Choose the one that suits best with your theme. Let's say I like this one. Click on this and click on choose template. Now that template is loaded here. Change the heading to say download your free ebook instantly. The heading looks fine, the icon looks fine. Now they have given us an element to give more details to this ebook. If we want, we can delete it simply by clicking on this button. So for now, let's change this and say this ebook contains information on starting a blog from scratch. Let me correct the spelling. So this looks fine. Now this is the form. So whenever this form is appearing on your website, somebody will give their name and email address and then click on subscribe now. So first we need to connect this form to our GetResponse. Click on this form and on the left hand side you can see the settings. Click on add connection. Click on this drop down and you'll see GetResponse here because we have already added this. Now it is showing the different lists that are available on GetResponse. Now we have just created test demo purpose for today's video. Let's click on this. Cycle day is okay, keep it 0 and apply. So now when this form is displayed on our website and somebody fills in their information, that information will automatically be added to our GetResponse mailing list. Going further, we are going to send multiple emails to the subscribers, so that email list is very important. You can change the text in the button as well, but for now let's keep it the same. Once satisfied, click on this save work and save and preview. So all these changes are saved, and this is how our form is going to look like. Now this widget form is ready. Let's close this. Come here, click on this drop down, say display on desktop, display on mobile. Now click on this settings icon here, and we can choose where all this form will be displayed. We can display it on all the posts, we can display it on front page, we can display it on all pages, on blog index, on search page, or on any page. Or if we want to go more precise, we can go to posts and select the post. We can go to pages and select the pages where we want to display this form, or we can go to post types and then click on the category and that stuff. So this gives us the power to completely customize and tell Thrive that which form is going to be shown to what kind of audience or to visitors who are visiting on a certain page. So for now, for demo purpose only, let's click on this all posts and click on save and close. So we have just configured Thrive Leads, we have connected it to GetResponse, and then we have told Thrive that this form should be available on all the blog posts. There is one more thing that needs to be done here. Go to Appearance, click on this widgets. This will open the widget section, and let's go here and see we have a Thrive Leads widget here. Let's click on this, drag it and drop it here. It is asking the lead group which we want to be displayed here. Let's click on this test and click on save. So now this widget should be available on all the posts. Let's check and confirm the same. Go to our posts, click on any post here. Let's say this one, click on view. Now you can see your form is shown here, which in the backend is connected to GetResponse. Once you fill in name and email ID and click on subscribe now, you can check on your GetResponse and email ID would have been added. What to do with these email IDs? Let's keep that topic for our next video. So now we understand that how easy it is to use Thrive Leads with our WordPress based blog. However, the key idea here is to offer something irresistible to your audience so that they can fill in their information. We call this a lead magnet. Like a magnet, it pulls visitors to share their information with you. For your ease, we have started a service of delivering 2 free to use licensed lead magnets for internet marketing domain every month. If you are interested, I've given the link in the description for the same. So in our next video, we'll discuss what you should do next to build upon this list. As per a survey, a single email in your list has a value of around $37 in 1 year. So imagine building an amazing list. Request you to subscribe to our channel as we keep on bringing such interesting videos for you. It motivates us a lot. See you in next video. Bye for now. Take care.